spoken.
All day, yo.
No lies spoken.
This pain I felt.
No lies spoken.
Blessed with the tears and all that.
No lies spoken.
Dang.
No lies spoken.
Anybody that know like.
No lies spoken.
All day.
No lies spoken.
Come on, man.
This DMV nigga about hella figures. Pressure, it made me tough. That other nigga folded. Used to love that nigga. Love for my daughter got me moving cautious. The fans will snatch you for informants. Pick a person or you never walking. After that time, how can I live with that? They pay the way just to be thorough and just fold and be a fucking rat. My man did it, he flipped it like I told. But it's all good, we know the truth. Nigga, you sour, karma down the road. In that V, doing the buck with 20. Deep in my thoughts, linking with killers. But we chillin', getting to this money. I cross my T, I load it with my eyes. I take a pull, I blow the smoke, I ease my nerves, I'm finally on the rise. I'm FaceTiming with all the ones official. Stay in the lab, getting right to it, don't do foul, so I don't need a whistle. Forever mine, told you I would blow. That nigga mad is shorty on me, she just hit me, keep that on the low. Fuck em. No lies spoken.
All day, yo.
No lies spoken.
This pain I felt.
No lies spoken.
Blessed with the tears and all that.
No lies spoken.
Dang.
No lies spoken.
Anybody that know like.
No lies spoken.
All day.
No lies spoken.
Forever.
Yo, you already know, man. Tweet me. I told you about lies. I'm sitting here with you already know I'm standing next to you, man. Listen, tweet your heat. Vote me.
Yeah, man. You already know what it is, man. Check me out at www.bookmanproductions.net, man. Check out those beats, man. Yo, shout out to my man Frankie.
No lies spoken.
All day, yo.
No lies spoken.
This pain I felt.
No lies spoken.
Blessed with the tears and all that.
No lies spoken.